it's probably safe to say at this point that there are no pipeline welders jobs at risk just yet. You know, give me a week or two, I'll watch a few more YouTube videos. Hey there, welcome to the garage. Oh, I'm stuck. So I have never welded before. I've never stricken the first arc. Is that even how you say it? I don't even know how to weld. I've never done it. And I've always wanted to learn. It's always been kind of expensive. It's a little cheaper now. And I got to thinking, you know, since professional welders are some of the most easygoing, compassionate, gentle, caring type folks, and they tend to offer only the most constructive criticism with no negative remarks. I thought, hey, why don't I make a YouTube video of me learning how to weld by watching YouTube videos? So obviously the first thing I had to do was go out and spend a bunch of money and get a bunch of stuff so I could weld, right? So this is not a sponsored video. They didn't send me any free stuff. There's a lot of videos out there where people are demoing welders and all that. And I paid for all this out of my own pocket, you know, so it is what it is. It's not a review of any of this stuff. It's just what I bought. So I got this Northern Tool welding fixture table. Came with all these fitments that I don't yet know how to use. I've got some basic idea, and got a few things, right? Got my chipping hammer, since I'll be doing Flux Core because I ain't got no gas in it. It's so I'll have to chip away the slag. I got my brush and I got my welding pliers. So I got all the basics. I needed a welder. So I went to the Fisher-Price website and I ordered my first welder. Okay, I got an ArcCaptain. This is not a review of ArcCaptain. It seemed like a pretty good deal and the reviews are pretty good. So it's supposed to be kind of dummy proof. We're going to figure that out, aren't we? So I got that all set up and I got me some 3/16" plate that I'm going to just start, see if I can lay a bead on and see if it makes sense. And you guys tell me if I should stick with this or not, or if I should just hang it up, sell all my gear before I even get going. So let's start by, when I ordered the ArcCaptain, it came with this ArcCaptain welding, auto darkening welding hood, $30. Concerned me a little. I've not been able to convince myself that it's worth the risk because in my testing, which I haven't done testing with a weld, but it flashes a bit. So that scares me. So I did spend more on my welding hood than I did the welder itself. I got a Lincoln. So we'll see. Hopefully this will keep me from going blind before I even get started. So let me get this thing fired up real quick, and I'll get the camera set up so we can see if I can actually get this thing to run and not burn the house down. Stand by. So I am going to be running this on 220, 240, however you want to say it. I'm going to get this. Get her to fire up here. All right, so I'm going to run this using the synergetic, I don't know, mode with 19 volts, 142 amps, which puts my wire speed feed at 319 inches per minute, which I think is going to be a little fast based on the many minutes of experience I've got watching YouTube videos. Running Flux Core, 030 wire in MIG mode, 2T trigger mode, etc., etc. So that should be ready to go. Got my magic wand there, and I will get myself all set up. I'm going to get the camera set up. I do have I've got a number 12 shade lens that I'm going to put over the camera so we can film the welding. I did go ahead and use the ArcCaptain. I use the ArcCaptain gloves. They seem kind of cool. All right, let me get my shade put on here. Bear with me a second. Nervous wreck. Are you supposed to be nervous when you do this? Oh, I got to put on my respirator too. my respirator that I got doesn't fit very well under the mask, so that may be a problem. You probably can't understand me very well wearing this. That's okay. I'm not going to talk much. All right, let's see. Way too fast. Way too fast. That's too slow, I think. Not half bad for somebody that doesn't know what the crap they're doing. I know I'm supposed to listen, hear what it sounds like. I don't know what I'm listening for. You know, it's bacon, right? You're supposed to listen for bacon? I don't know. This thing's probably hotter than crap right now. I'm going to go one more and then let it cool off. Whee! That's going to be hot. Oh, this plate had still had the paper on the back, so that's burning. That's what I'm smelling. Let's get this slag off of here. See what. That's not bad. This plate's hot. There you go. Can you see that? What do you think? Something tells me it does not pass a pipeline welding test. I don't know, just a guess. It's honestly better than I thought, though. All right, I need to, that third one, see, I think I had too much stick out. Is that what I had? I was running too much stick out? I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna let this guy cool. I'm gonna go with plate number 2. I think that I'm going to, I think I'm gonna see if I can follow a line. I don't even know if I can see this line. I think I have my helmet turned a little dark. Let's see if I can run a couple of lines here. Think I'm going to be able to see that? I'm going to adjust my helmet. Hood. Helmet or hood? Educate me. Let's try one line and then clean it up. Helmet's working good. What do you think? Let's see if I can follow a line. Almost stuck to the line. Started out a little, got a little wide there at the end. Take your lens off. Better. What do you think? Is that better? Let's try a second line here. I think I'm starting out a little fast and then going slow, so I gotta get more consistent speed. Oh, gotta trim. Stick out, working angle, travel angle. All of that stick out looks a little long. Yep. Okay, there we go. All right, stick out, 1/4 inch maybe. Working angle, travel angle. A little better. Oh, I forgot to put your mask up. Sorry. Hope that didn't hurt. What? It's a little boogery. This is the second one over here. First one, second one. Huh. I got more penetration on that one. This one was really cold, I think. Yeah, that first pass wasn't, I was moving too fast, I think. I think I got better penetration on this second one. All right, let's try one more. I'm going to put your mask on this time. All right, here we go. Let me get the slag off of that one. That's hot. It's hot, Gladys. Got a little bit of penetration there too. What do you think? Yeah. All right. Oh, it is smoky in here. All right, I'm going to turn this guy off so I can hear myself think. So it's probably safe to say at this point that there are no pipeline welders jobs at risk just yet. You know, give me a week or two. Got to watch a few more YouTube videos. seriously, no disrespect to professional welders at all. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is going to be a hobby. I want to make some fun stuff. So I got to first figure out really how to use the machine and how to, there's a lot of stuff to learn here. And the way I do business is one of the best ways to learn is just start doing it, right? Make your mistakes and figure out what you got going on. Hopefully I can do it without burning down the house or killing myself. That's goal number one. I appreciate you guys watching. Give me some comments, give me some pointers, give me some tips. Probably didn't learn a lot in this video. That's okay. I did. I learned a ton. And now I'm going to start cranking out some metal and just start practicing until I get some more stick time. Is that what you call it? Wand time? I don't know. I got to get more practice. And then I'll see if I can run a bead, and maybe I'll start working on some fillet welds and outside corners, and then I'll build a frame for a car. Just kidding. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.